Hello, I'm Dave Miskell with Cosel USA, and today I am excited to introduce CoselSync, the new global brand created through the strategic partnership of Cosel and LiteOn. Cosel is a Japanese power supply manufacturer with AC to DC power supplies starting at 3 watts in PCB mountable packages to 1200 watts, open frame supplies to 700 watts, DIN rail supplies to 480 watts, and enclosed supplies up to 7,000 watts. I even have a sample of our 3,500 watt water-cooled AC to DC product here on the table. Cosel also manufactures DC to DC converters to 700 watts, as well as an extensive line of single-phase and three-phase EMI line filters. LiteOn, a Taiwanese company and globally the second largest power supply manufacturer, manufactures AC to DC enclosed panel mount supplies to 1200 watts, a line of PoE injectors, and a huge selection of ATX and Flex ATX computing type power supplies, and a large selection of USB-C chargers from 20 to 100 watts, and wall adapters and external desktop adapters to 330 watts. While LiteOn is large, they can offer customized services and designs, including features like laser marking your company's logo on products, offering that specialized touch. Cosel and LiteOn together are redefining what power conversion can be: efficient, connected, cost-effective, and sustainable. CoselSync brings the precision of Japanese design and the scale of LiteOn's global manufacturing into one synchronized power brand. High quality and high reliability, yet cost-effective power products designed and built for your next generation industrial, factory automation, smart industry, medical and healthcare, semiconductor manufacturing, and test and measurement equipment, just to name a few of the many markets the new CoselSync power brands support. Let's take a look at what's new. First, we have a new DIN rail series. I have a sample of the 240 watt product here on the table, but we are introducing a full line of DIN rail products. This 240 watt supply supports 305 volt maximum continuous input, a slim 40 millimeter width, 80 plus platinum efficiency rating, and 150% peak power capability, a rugged metal case, and a DIN rail metal mounting bracket, to name just a few of the many features. I also have samples of the 100, 150 watt, and 320 watt enclosed panel mount supplies that are part of our new MWP series AC to DC power supplies. 305 volt AC input, greater than 90% efficiency in a cost-effective package. LiteOn is a powerhouse in the external adapter market. In the new CoselSync product line, I have samples of the 100 and 150 watt desktop external adapter. These adapters have extremely low leakage current with IEC 60601 safety certifications, making this series suitable for BF-rated medical applications with 2x MOP double insulation. This series is ideal for any medical or computing or portable type of equipment requiring an external adapter with a wide range of international safety standards, including the standard IEC 62638. With production centers in Japan, Vietnam, and China, Cosel and LiteOn ensures local flexibility with global consistency and a huge existing product selection. These new CoselSync products are proudly manufactured in Vietnam. CoselSync is more than a product line. It's the power of the future. You can find CoselSync and LiteOn power products and Cosel power products at CoselUSA.com. Welcome to the future of power. Cosel, LiteOn, and now CoselSync.